So good morning everyone. So today the February 11, 2022. So SB 500 has dropped out 83 points. That's 1.91%. It's 138 point. Dow Jones is 526 points. Yesterday just like around 500 points, and nasdaq dropped like 304. The whole country dropped more than 1,100 points for, even though like the big layers to like for everything. This is like totally. So Tesla dropped $27 to 2.9. Apple dropped $4. Like Microsoft, AMD, although like Farm, Google, Disney, Amazon, Twilio, Alpha, Uber, there's PayPal, Netflix, Square, Micron, Dating, and Snap. So, and like the big one like a Boeing, Adobe, and Bank of America, Berkshire. Everything, like most of them is low. Some of them just gain tiny bit. You can take a look on that chart and look and decide what you need to buy. But you need to know yesterday is when it closed out, it dropped 1.81%. It's Dow Jones dropped 1.47, and of course like another size of the markets dropped too. So good morning, or traders again. So we need to know like US dollars is up, and when US dollars is up and gold is down, and when it's goes down is markets down too. Usually go up is markets up. I don't know. That's a weird thing. Yeah, energy is up. 1 peso like up the oil. This cost $90, 90.26. It's going to be like it's going to cost like $100 soon. So finance 17 sticks. So in the case of economy, like 96 is lower. But anyway, gold down. It's markets down. So the command for this morning is the cruise like 7 years higher. So US, it's not very good news today. You can see on the screen. So 35% course fuel tax. US loading is increased. That means when US loading increase, then all the price of the food will go down a little bit. So every day we still sell our soybean and corn. We export a lot. Even though, especially livestock, is beef sells a lot. The U.S. is the best place send out the beef for the whole world, and whoever buy like a beef stock company or a food stock company get really good opportunity to sell out. And energy in the Europe is getting up like 37%. Especially energy in the middle of the country is really good, especially in Nebraska, Kansas, and Iowa. Bitcoin Cash look much higher. Please watch out for that. So whoever got the Bitcoin right now is better sell up in this week. You wait till next week. It's a little bit risk. So all the business know, especially Ethereum, and now is a good time to buy Dogecoin. And if anyone have a SIBA, you should sell it. Then you can buy it. Next couple of weeks it's be lower than 30. It's now 32, 34 is 0.32. It's got many zero, but I just read them short. So we get auto oil and transportation is cut up a little high, and it drop a little bit like currencies and finance. You need to take a pictures, the screenshot and this chart, and you can see the most lowest one is staffing, see me, and transportation truck is building, wireless, electronics, computer, and building retail in EFT utilities, not in EFT in general. EFT utility is different. It kind of dropped today. I mean, it's really good opportunity to buy in. It's not to sell out. Sell out, a lot of people in my students sold a lot of stock yesterday, and they look pretty good. So COPM look really good. Because it's at $8, you can buy it from $8 to $7 now. So that company is like $3.3 billion. And ITUB costs $4, 4.8. Can buy like around 4.5 now. But the cafe is $45 billion. That's a lot. And the stock just cost $4, over $4 a little bit. And COUR, no, skip that one. No worry about that. It's like 20-some dollars. I mean, if you like, go ahead and take a look and do some research. We work WE $7, and the cap is 4.9. It's almost $5 billion, and the stock just cost $7. That's wonderful. And EVGO is $10. You know, buy from 10 to 9. So it's $2.58 billion. Really pretty good. And especially you can look at this one is, now we go to like the next part. ITUB, the V2 is 41. Yeah, that's pretty good. It costs us $4, and of course the V2 have to be really high, because many people buy it on that really lower cost, and $41.93 million for on trading. That means the buying and the selling number at the same, just 24. Let's just say 24 hours, but normally they just trade like 8 hours, 8 to 10 hours, depending on the market and the size or the app you use. But around, just say 1/3 of the day, because the 8 hours like 1/3 of 24, just like 8 hours, and they can trade 41, almost $42 million. That's pretty good, and especially EVGO is more than normal. Usually normal is $5 million, and this one like 6.91. And others are not very good in V2, but some of them good in cap and good in price. The V1's really good. You can see that way. But the cap in all of them is really, let's call this really stable cap. It's a good opportunity. Depend what they do, depend where they add, depend how long they're on the market. The first one for today is TWOUO. TWOU, yeah. So this one, the cap just like $700 million, and it's costing $99. You can buy from 927. This would be good because a lot of people sell this one, and they drop more than 20%. You know, that's pretty good opportunity. Buy in deep, and sell when it's higher. In order to make money, and SOND 9.5, you can buy them to $7. That's $2.06 billion. That's a good cap and pretty good price. Thank you very much. See you guys later next week. And good luck for today.